Want to turn your Python code into a winter wonderland? Here's how. First, you need your snowflake design. Copy your Python turtle code. Then, head over to the simulator. Look for the black box labeled Python code. Click Paste Clipboard and hit Update Blizzard to bring your code to life. Now, let's control the weather. You can drag the snow size slider to make your flakes massive or tiny. Use the snow density slider to go from a light flurry to a heavy storm. Adjust the fall speed to make the flakes float or race, and use wind force to blow the snow left or right. Next, let's customize the look. Use the drop-down menu to switch from the default night sky to one of the available winter scenes. Perfect. Now, let's enjoy the view.